Hello, we are Exodus 31 Designs. Today, I invite you to make this cute autumn design card with me. It can be perfect to create beautiful and unique invitations for Thanksgiving dinners and other fall events. In our downloads we include the files in SVG and STUDIO formats. And among them we include the files with dotted lines and files to configure score lines. The latter are the ones I use. This download includes, in addition to the folder card, the template to make the envelope, and a blank insert to put the text of your choice. I show you how to set up in Cricut Design Space. The procedure can be similar in other cutting software. Once the file is loaded into Cricut Design Space, I am using the file with score lines. I can expand and see the layers in the right side panel. Identify the vertical fold lines, and I change the function from cut to score. There are two lines, one from the intricate cut layer and another from the plain layer. Ungroup the set. Now select each layer with its corresponding score line and attach. This is all the setup in this case. If you use the file whose name starts with SVG, you only need to upload and cut. You do not need a scoring tool. Now click on Make It. Notice that the cut and score functions are active on the same cutting mat, on the corresponding layers. Select the cut settings. From the cardstock section, I will use the option for intricate cut. I use the scoring stylus tool. And now it's time to cut. On a mat with good adhesion, place the cardstock and apply pressure on it. This can be done with a roller. I will do it with my bone folder. Then to secure it I put tape on the edges of the cardstock. Notice that my mat has a lot of adhesion. This is important to achieve a good cut. Also use a blade that is well sharpened. With a good 80 pounds cardstock and using the correct cut setting you will achieve a great result. Assembly is very easy. Just fold along the center fold line, the intricate cut layer and the plain card layer. Define the folds with the bone folder. Apply glue to the fold of the inner layer and join as I show you here. The template includes this blank insert. Our cut files along with more than 1,300 listings are in our online store. I leave the download link in the description. Thank you for watching our video. I invite you to follow our channel and share it.